Here at Bretton Woods, we are all about bringing people together on the slopes and around the table. Hello everyone, I'm Céline MacArthur, your official Slopeside storyteller. Every Saturday during ski season, our talented international associates share their favorite dishes from home for you to enjoy at the base lodge when you take a break from the slopes.
We bring dishes from all around the world to the guests and they can taste it here.
Meet Chef Edwin from El Salvador as he prepares churrasco salvadoreño, grilled beef and shrimp served with rice, beans, and chimichurri.
This is a churrasco that normally is offered when you gather with your family in your home. This is a combination of a lot of flavors and taste. So combine them, it's a bomb. The best compliment I received that the taste is out of the world.
Chef Agus from Bali shares one of his family favorites.
My mom always make this for me. Bubur ayam come from Indonesia. That is made from soft rice with yellow coconut sauce and chicken broth. And for the condiment, I have tofu, chicken, egg, and crispy wonton.
Chef Bafri from India brings us a traditional dish that's always a crowd pleaser.
This is the steamed rice, and this is the butter chicken. It's a very famous dish in India. And the veg coconut curry and the shrimp. It's for the seafood things. It really tastes amazing. The aroma is too good.
And Chef Hugo from Mexico shares his family recipe for sopa de lima, zesty lime soup with chicken and a lot of spices.
This is a soup that my grandma used to make whenever she came to my home because she knew it was my favorite.
Kitchen supervisor Jason Royal explains the motivation behind this tasteful initiative.
We want our guests to be able to experience something new, or if it's something that they had like on vacation, if they ever went to El Salvador or Bali, and they said, oh, that was great, I want to have that again, and they come here and they see it and they're like, oh, wow.
Our associates show us that every dish tells a story of family, tradition, and the pride of sharing their culture with you.
My intention is that the people knows more about El Salvador because we have a lot of foods that represent our culture.
This is my way to show you that I embrace your culture, but I would like you to embrace mine as well.
I think it's good. Everyone's appreciated me.
When they are taste this menu, feel like stay in Indonesia.
My family and I lived in Asia, so we've been to Indonesia several times, and the soup was delicious. Only at Bretton Woods, it seems, so I love that.
You can meet our associates and enjoy their tastes from home every Saturday during ski season here at Bretton Woods. We'll see you here.